out of pure storage? What's it going to look like 2 to 3 years from now?
So great question, Luke. We're seeing some fundamental changes in how technology is leveraged and how we deploy capability uh, to customers and particularly to end users. So, we're going to obviously need increasing scale, performance, and ease of use to support digital transformation and IT modernization to drive a fundamental transformation in digital experience. And this is going to be driven largely by containerization and the implementation of AI and machine learning, and enabled by the rollout of 5G capability. So there will be more bandwidth, more data, more things creating and consuming data. What this is going to require, just for everybody to be able to keep up with it and leverage it properly, is simpler applications, more scalability and portability across infrastructure and location, and largely invisible to the user. And then a mindset change as well, to Soldenis's point. It's regarding IT as a portfolio of services and capabilities, as opposed to a collection of components. And the last and biggest challenge that's probably not appreciated is the shift in mindset in the acquisition community. It's slower, it's bounded rigidly by statute and regulation, but the cloud consumption model threw the entire acquisition community for a loop, because for literally centuries, the government bought things and owned them outright. So the whole idea of subscribing to something, not even leasing it, just blew people's minds. And it took 8 or 9 years, and we'll give the cloud service providers a tremendous amount of credit for this, 8 or 9 years of cooperative work to figure out, how can the government acquire things and use them that it does not own? Is it safe? Is it secure to do that? Could it potentially compromise data? Will it compromise operations? I think that we're going to simply regard that mechanism of acquisition as de rigueur. But that's fundamentally transforming also how the government can adopt technology, modernize, and then sustain that capability. So, portfolio of services that addresses capability needs as opposed to boxes that fill data centers, but acquired in a way that is really novel for government customers to approach.